Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animated number counter on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do this, what you need to do is just head over to your Wix site. So I have here my Wix site. Now head over to another tab and then search for Help site. Now you just need to log in to your Help site, and then once you're in there, let's just head over and search in here. So let's search in here for animated. And you can see here the number counter. So you can put in here your achievements and present numbers to users. So click on this one. And then you can choose what theme you want. For example, I want to use black theme. And click on continue with this template. Now in here, this will be added. Now what we can do is we need to publish it. Once this has been published, we can actually head over and select the plan that we want to use, which is this free plan. Now, once you have this number counter, just click on this copy code right here. And then from in there, just head over to your Wix website. Or you can also just use this Wix right here. And they will have here some tutorial on how to add this. So to add this widget to a specific site, you can just head over to your Wix site editor, edit site, and then add an HTML block. So you can just embed the sections for this one right here, and then just put in this specific code. So let's copy that, head over to here, and then let's head over and click on this plus icon. Now on this add elements option, we can see so many options that we can use, which actually is one of this embed code. Then click on this embed HTML. Now let's click on this add to site right here, and then this HTML with add, and then let's just put in here the JSON code that we have. So let's paste it in here, and then click on update, and then this will update the site for us. So it will take some time in order to get used to the specific code that we have added. And then once we have get used to this, we can just head over and then make sure that we have all of these things in here. So just wait for this to finish loading, and you should have your timer or your animated countdown. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.